Let's make some Banh Hoi. Wow, steaming hot Banh Hoi. Very bouncy and chewy. I got this package here. I like this brand. Right there, bamboo. We got two bowls here. We got a big bowl and a strainer. So we got these sheets of thin noodles here. So I like to spread them out like this. Just make sure they're sheets by sheets. All right, and then we got the boiling hot water. In it goes. Woo. All right, make sure this is submerged in hot water, okay? Fully submerged. So let this soak in for about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Be sure to take this out. Let this dry. Let this steam in here for a couple more minutes and dry out before we put our onion oil on.